Today, we'll show you how to use the controls on your Thermador under-counter glass door refrigerator and wine reserve. Most of these controls are the same for either model. However, we'll also share some model-specific instructions. Let's start with the basic controls: on-off, alarm, lock, light, Sabbath mode, and temperature setting. To enter off mode, press and hold on-off for 3 seconds. To resume normal operation, press and hold on-off for 3 seconds. Your under-counter refrigerator has an audible alarm to help alert you when the door has been left open longer than 2 minutes. To silence the alarm, close the door or press alarm once. To turn off the door alarm function, press and hold alarm for 3 seconds. To turn the function back on, press and hold alarm for 3 seconds. The lock function locks the controls, perfect for households with small children. To activate, press and hold lock for 3 seconds. The lock LED will light up. No changes can be made to the controls or settings until the lock function is turned off. To deactivate, press and hold lock for 3 seconds, or until the lock LED light goes off. Your under-counter appliance features LED light settings from none, low, medium, and high. To adjust, press light to cycle through the intensity options until you reach your desired setting. When the door is opened, the interior light will automatically illuminate to the maximum intensity, or high, independently of the control setting. If you have selected the none setting, the interior lights will turn on only when the door is opened and will dim to off when closed. Your under-counter appliance is Star K certified. Sabbath mode will turn off all non-essential functions, making it usable on the Sabbath or other religious observances. To activate, press and hold Sabbath for 3 seconds. The key press will sound once, and the display will show SAB for a few seconds. All control buttons become inactive except on-off. All audible and visual alarms become inactive, and the light will not turn on even if the door is opened. To deactivate, press and hold Sabbath for 3 seconds. All buttons, displays, lights, and alarms will once again become functional. The factory display setting for your under-counter appliance is in degrees Fahrenheit. To change your display from Fahrenheit to Celsius or vice versa, press and hold the Fahrenheit/Celsius button. Your under-counter glass door wine reserve has a temperature range to safely store your different wine varietals. We recommend 46 degrees Fahrenheit in the upper compartment and 58 degrees Fahrenheit for the lower compartment. You can customize the temperature settings anywhere within that range. Use the plus and minus buttons to lower or raise the set temperature. Your under-counter glass door refrigerator has a temperature range of 33 to 64 degrees Fahrenheit. You can customize the temperature settings anywhere within that range. Use the plus and minus buttons to lower or raise the set temperature. You can choose from convenient preset temperature modes. Fridge mode sets the temperature to 38 degrees Fahrenheit. To activate, press Fridge. The fridge mode temperature can be adjusted between 36 and 40 degrees Fahrenheit using the plus and minus buttons. We recommend a setting of 37 degrees Fahrenheit for perishable foods and beverages. Bar mode sets a fixed temperature at 34 degrees Fahrenheit. To activate, press the bar button. The bar mode temperature can be adjusted between 33 and 35 degrees Fahrenheit using the plus and minus buttons. Pantry mode sets the fixed temperature at 53 degrees Fahrenheit. If you live in a high humidity area, Pantry mode is perfect for storing breads, grains, baking flours, and more. To activate, press Pantry. The pantry mode temperature can be adjusted between 41 and 64 degrees Fahrenheit using the plus and minus buttons. This mode can be used for storing non-perishable food or beverages. Quick Chill sets the temperature to 33 degrees Fahrenheit. This mode is useful for cooling down food or beverages quickly, such as when you are prepping for a gathering. When Quick Chill is activated, all the other temperature buttons become non-functional. To activate, press Quick Chill. To deactivate, press Quick Chill again. Quick Chill will deactivate automatically after 24 hours, and temperatures will return to their previous setting. Thank you for watching. We hope you have a better understanding of how to use the basic controls on your Thermador under-counter glass door refrigerator or under-counter glass door wine reserve.